Mabarothi aria matumitwo kurugamirira bururi nja ya Kenya niginyanagia mehotore kwendia bururi wa Kenya kiwonjoria mwerekera-ini wa kuguciriria aigithia kuma kone ciothe cia thi.
You are the only people who can link us to the outside world, especially the counties which we are now. You are the only people who can actually help us in getting those needed investors so that we push our agendas forward.
Munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Nakuru Dagitari Eric Korir augite mabarothi aya makoragwo na mweke mwega wa kugemia uthio wa bururi kiwonjoria na niguo gukinyaniria kioneki gia President Uhuru Kenyatta ari gutua Kenya mucie wa thuguri.
We'll be having one of the biggest extravaganza where the biggest rose companies in the world are being produced where? In Naivasha.
That's the kind of thing you like to see when we send out investors. Those are the things that we do when we are overseas. Whenever somebody comes and find there's an investment opportunity, we send them to the countries.
Korir uria waritie hindi ya kigomano kia mabarothi na maabitha nene ministry-ini ya maundu ma nja ya bururi akauga ningi mari mwerekera-ini wa kugacirithia tauni ya Naivasha na niguo kwandandura thuguri ya wendia wa mahua na iria mathagira bururi muigana wa ciringi bilioni 47 o hari mwaka.
These roses that people try to say asante fanya vizuri, so we want to actually market that in a very big way. A 10 days event in Naivasha. And we will welcome you to come. You come with even some few investors to see what we are doing in this great county and sell this country in a big way.
Augita ningi no maragwatanira na thirikari nene na niguo kugacirithia iria ria Nakuru na riria ri ngumo nene kumana na ugemi wa nyoni muthemba wa flamingo, akiuga ningi no maramurika uhoro wegemainie na mihinga ya magoti iria ikoragwo iri muhinga munene kuri aigithia. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.